Welcome all to my next video of triggers, SQL triggers. So here is a basic simple example of SQL trigger. So triggers are the special stored procedure which executes after or before a specific event. So event like create, alter, drop. This is the DDL event. Then event like DML events, insert, update, delete, and logon triggers which will work on during logon. So here I have taken example of account table in which account ID, name, balance, and action. Those attributes are there. And another table is a transaction table, a translog table in which account ID will be there, modified date, and action will be there. So action will be whether you want to withdraw or deposit money from that account. So we'll start with this. I'm going to execute this create table command. Yeah. So table is created. I can show you. It is select command. Select from account. Yes. You can see the table is created. Now, next, create the table translog. So translog table is also created. Show you with the select star from translog. So translog table will have the data in a translog table. Suppose if any entry is there with respect to deposit or withdrawal in the account table, then translog table will get updated automatically with the help of triggers. Okay. Now this is the stored procedure which I already explained you in previous video. So here the stored procedure is written to withdraw and for deposit purpose. If you want to deposit into the account, update account, set balance equals to balance plus amount, act the action. So here deposit, if it is a deposit, it will reflect or add money in that particular account. If the action is withdraw, this logic will work, that is balance minus amount. And string will be set in act attribute of the table. So here you can see it's the act attribute or act column. So here we had written a stored procedure in transaction form. Now we'll have a look on this. Okay, right now there is nothing in account table. So we'll insert two entries in account table. Before that, I'll show you the trigger. What is trigger? How to write the trigger? So this is the point of discussion. Trigger. The syntax is create trigger. Name of the trigger. Here the name of trigger is tr underscore log records. So this is the name of the trigger on account. On account is a table name. For update. So you can have trigger for insert, update, and delete. So here we had written trigger which will execute automatically when the update statement occurs for the account table, not for replication as begin. So this is the syntax. Now begin, insert into translog, select ACC ID, get date, act. So when update statement is executed on account table, then trigger occurs automatically. So this trigger get fired automatically. So this is the syntax from inserted and end. Run this trigger. Yeah. So command completed successfully. We'll insert two values in our table, that is in account table. Now you can see values in account table. Select star from account. So there are two entries. Now what we will do, we'll run a stored procedure. I'll show you both the trans log. If you see the trans log, right now there is no record in the trans log. As soon as we'll run our stored procedure, so stored procedure, name of stored procedure is, yeah. So as soon as we run our stored procedure with the parameters, so I'll pass parameter. This is the ID, comma, say ID, account ID 100. Then I need to pass the amount. I'll pass amount, say 200 rupees. And then what I need to do, if say a deposit, this action I want, so I'll write down deposit. Okay. Now if we this select star from translog, this is empty right now. This is, and you see select star from account. In account we're having those two records. Rahul, in this balance is 1,000 rupees. Amit, balance is 2,000 rupees. Now when we are going to execute this short procedure, so this account table will be updated as well as translog table will be updated. So I'll just execute this. So cannot find stored procedure. We need to first of all run this stored procedure, execute this stored. So I'll execute this stored procedure. Yeah. The command completed successfully. We executed this stored procedure. Now come to the statement. Yeah. You can see 1,200 and 2,000. So 200 is deposited. Now if I'll check this select star from translog, you can observe that SCC ID 100, modified date and action deposit. So in this way, you can have the log of the account table with the help of triggers. So thank you for watching this video. I will share this code in the description link. Thank you so much.